Starting off here. First question. View. Zoom. Okay, full page width. Yeah, I'll get it now. Now, here's the first question. Solve this. 2x squared equals 3x. I know, yeah. It's just it won't be in a second. Okay, guys. 2x squared minus 3x equals 0 is your first step. Okay, it's not blurry anymore. Shh, recording, lads, recording. Okay, you take out x, and what you're going to be left with is 2x minus 3 equals 0. What you do next is you split it in half, and what you can get is x equals 0, or 2x minus 3 equals 0. Bring over to 3, 2x equals 3, and now x equals 3 over 2. Okay, so that's your two answers. Yeah, because there's two numbers being multiplied by each other. So when you multiply two numbers by each other and the answer is 0, either the first number is 0, this is the first number is 0, or the second number is 0. That's why we put them both equal to 0 and say, look, these are the two possible answers, because one of them has to be 0. Because when you multiply two numbers by each other and the answer is 0, one of the numbers has to be 0. Has to be.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Another method some people might try and do is the following. They might try and say that, look, 2x squared equals 3x. Cancel the x off both sides. But by doing that, what you're actually doing is you're eliminating out one of the answers. The only answer we're going to get here is x equals 3 over 2. You forgot the answer of x equals 0. So this method is it loses your marks because you left out x equals 0.
I thought you can't have one that's, I think it has to be like a positive number for your answer, and one number.
Does it say that in the question?
No.
If it doesn't say it in the question, then it can be 0 and any number it wants. It'll have to specify x element n, x element r, or x element z to specify that your numbers have to be positive or not. Okay. Next one. Sorry, we'll just get this one again. This question here, what the question says is it wants you to express it in third form. Now, there's two reasons why you might go straight to a minus b instead of factorizing it. It'll say two things. It'll either say express in decimals or express in third. The minute I read a question like that, I don't even try to factorize it using big X or the reference number. I'll just go straight into the minus b formula. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, what happens here is it's the numbers that come in front of them. Okay, so a equals 1. Because in your tables it will say ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A matches up with the number 1, b matches up with minus 4, and c will match up with minus 14. Now, you can go minus 4, so minus b is actually plus 4. Okay, so you can say plus 4 plus or minus the square root of it's going to be square root of minus 4 squared minus 4 times a times c. Now, what you can do in a test is you can just go straight to your calculator. Straight to the calculator, and you can do the third part out right away. So the third part can be square root of minus 4 squared.
Would it not be
minus 1 second. Yes, Hugo?
Would not be minus 4 in that one there? Would not be
minus 4 times 1 plus, that is plus 1, multiplied by minus 14. 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c.
I thought it was minus b.
Okay, you will get a positive answer. Okay, now what happens next is it's minus 4 squared minus 4 bracket 1 bracket minus 14. Okay, that's minus 11 minus 14 equals 6 root 2. Okay, so that's going to change to 6 root 2 in a second. So, excuse me. So all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. This will change into 4 plus or minus 6 root 2 divided by 2. Now please remember what you're doing here is the following. You're first dividing the 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 gets you 2. 6 root 2 divided by 2, just divide the 6 by the 2 and you get 3 root 2. So 2 plus or minus 3 root 2 is your answer. You can write that as 2 plus 3 root 2 or 2 minus 3 root 2. Okay? What exercise is this, guys?
2.1.
9.